Facebook says, I didn't mean to unfriend you, Australia. And your Tuesday pick. Arbitrage Trade's State of the Bands Daily starts right now. Good morning, traders. Here's your Arbitrage State of the Bands Daily for Tuesday, February 23rd, 2021. I'm Joshua Stark. Facebook announced today that it would lift a ban on Australians viewing and sharing news on its platform after it struck a deal with the government on proposed legislation that would make digital giants pay for journalism. The social media company caused alarm with its sudden decision last week to block news on its platform across Australia after the House of Representatives passed the draft law. Initially, the blackout also cut access, at least temporarily, to government pandemic information, public health, and emergency services. More after this on Arbitrage Trade's State of the Bands Daily.
Research, fundamental experience, technical analysis, statistical probability. It's what sets us apart, and it's what will get you to stop watching and start living. Every day we track over 8,700 stocks to give you a list for over 131 disciplines and suggested entry and exit prices for each, not to mention how much we expect it to move on a daily basis. Stop watching and start living. Get started today at arbitragetrade.com.
Microsoft is teaming up with European publishers to push for a system to make big tech platforms pay for news, raising the stakes in the brewing battle led by Australia, which we reported earlier, to get Google and Facebook to pay for journalism. The Seattle tech giant and four big European Union news industry groups unveiled their plan Monday to work together on a solution to mandate payments for use of news content from online gatekeepers with dominant market power. Your Tuesday pick is an ETF that seeks daily results that correspond to the inverse of the daily performance of the NASDAQ 100 index that includes 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial companies listed on the NASDAQ stock market based on market capitalization. ProShares Short QQQ, symbol PSQ, starts at $13.92 a share.
If getting the most out of your investment is important to you, then beware of cheap entertainment when planning your next party. Omega Sound and Entertainment is a Hall of Fame mobile DJ company that travels the country, specializing in once-in-a-lifetime events from weddings and private parties to corporate events and more. For your once-in-a-lifetime event, invest wisely. Invest where the search for premier entertainment ends. Omega Sound and Entertainment. Online at OmegaSoundDJs.com or Omega Sound DJs on Instagram.
Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is a privately held market research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the content of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to be investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.